My dear students, welcome back to the lectures of data structures. In this video lecture, we are going to look at an algorithm called bubble sort. So it is a very simple algorithm which is used to sort the elements in the given array. So when compared to the remaining algorithms, it is little bit easy to understand. So first we will look at an example of bubble sort so that we will understand what does the bubble sort algorithm is saying. We will go with the example. Later that we will discuss the procedure and what is the introduction part of bubble sort. See, this is an example we are taking. We'll understand with the help of an example. See, these are the list of elements given here for us. What we will do is we will compare the first two elements. So consider we are arranging all the elements in ascending order, but here 5 and 1 are not in the proper order, right? When we are arranging elements in ascending order, first we need to get 1, after that 5 should be there. So 5 and 1, they are not in the order after comparing. So what we will do, we will go for interchanging or swapping of both the values. So what do you mean by swapping? 1 will come into the 5 position, 5 goes to the position of 1. So like that we will swap. After swapping, you consider, after swapping 1 and 5, consider 1 is here and 5 is here. Now what we will do, we will compare these two elements, next two elements, 5 and 6. After comparing 5 and 6, what we will do, they are not in the proper order, right? They are not in the 5 and 6, they are in the order only. So if they are in the order, we will not go for swapping. Don't go for swapping if they are in the order. So consider, see, 5 will come here and the next element is 6. 5 and 6 are in the order only, so we will not go for swapping. The next two elements, 6 and 2. 6 and we will compare 6 and 2. So they are not in the order, we will swap. 2 will come here, 2 will come here, and 6 will goes there. So like that we will swap 2 and 6 also. So after swapping 2 and 6, 2 will be here, 6 will be here. So we'll compare 6 and 4. We'll compare 6 and 4. So 4 is the smallest element. So we will bring 4 here. We will bring 4 here, and we will bring 6 to there. So like that we will compare each and every two elements. So can see here 6 will comes here. 6 will comes here. Finally 6 will comes here. 4 will be there, like that. After that we will compare the next two elements, 6 and 3. They are not in the order. Again 3 will comes here and 6 will goes there. Finally, after completion of first iteration, after comparing all these elements like this, so we'll go. This is the order we will get: 1, 5. Finally, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 6. This is the final order we will get after first iteration. Now we will see whether all the elements got sorted here or not. If all the elements are not got sorted, what we will do is we will go for the second iteration. We will take this list of elements. We will compare 1 and 5. They are in the order. We will leave. We will not interchange. We will compare this 2 and 5. They are not in the order. 2 will come here, 5 will go there. After that we will compare 4 and 5, like that. After comparing each and every two elements, finally we will sort the elements in the order. This is called bubble sort. So that's what the description has given. See, you can take any number of iterations. This is the first iteration. In the first iteration, what we have done, we are comparing each and every two elements. First to compare two elements in the given list. After the first iteration is over, if the elements are not get sorted, we will go for the second iteration. Even after the second iteration, if the elements are not got sorted, we will go for the third iteration. In such a way, we will sort all the elements in bubble sort. We'll see the description now. What is the description they have given? See, first what we will do is starting with the first element, compare the current element with the next element of the array. So whatever the list of elements given for us, we will take the index value 0 and index value 0 element and index value 1 element. We will compare both the elements. If they are not in the order, see, if the current element is greater than, what we are considering here, we are considering index equal to 0 as current element. The next element, which is index value 1, will be the next element. If the current element is greater than the next element of the array, then we will swap them. the current element is lesser than the next element, move the next element, repeat step 1. Okay, this is a very simple algorithm. This is a simple algorithm for bubble sort. So you can write these 3 steps for bubble sort algorithm. And that is what mentioned here. It is a very simple algorithm which is used to sort elements. The given list of array. So the main concept here is swapping the elements which are not in the order. So bubble sort starts with comparing the first element of the array with the second element. If the first element is greater than second element, it will swap both the elements and then move comparing the second and third element and so on. We compare second element and third element and so on. This is how the bubble sort algorithm will go, sir. So total, if we have total n elements, consider if we have total n elements, then we need to repeat this process for n minus 1 times, sir. So this is the thing we need to remember. If suppose we have total number of n elements, the swapping process will go, sir, n minus 1 times, sir. So that is why it is called as bubble sort, right? It is called as bubble sort. Why? Because it bubbles up towards the last place of the highest index. It will bubbles up towards the last place of the highest index, just like a water bubble rises up to the water surface. So we'll start from the beginning and it will goes to the last index value. It will goes to the last place of the highest index element, like a water bubble. That's why it is called as bubble sort. So anyhow, this is the introduction part, and see, this is the example. Just what we have discussed is the example. This is about bubble sort. This is what I would like to tell you today. I will stop this teach. Thank you. Go through this video lecture.